peoples, my peoples, my peoples. We're at the meet. She needs oil change. See how much oil is in this bitch. Oh look, we at 06 and 16. I've been beating the fuck out of it. I got it at 44,000 miles. We're at 48 now, so it's time for oil change. Okay, so look, we need some oil in a little bit too. Yeah, man, I'm gonna just keep rocking along with this shit, man. Doing what I can, vlogging when I can, making videos when I can. Talk to y'all, get these vlogs rocking, update y'all, keep y'all informed about what I got going on, what I've been doing, you know. We got the front lip on here, we got the wing on here, we got the grills in there. Appreciate y'all once again. Hope y'all have a good, blessed night, day, evening, afternoon, whatever it is for you, you know. And I hope, you know, you're chasing your dreams like I'm chasing my dreams. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this camera off so I can listen to my music instead of good old XM radio, even though they slapping. DJ Dev coming soon too, you know. A lot of things in the works, man. A lot of things in the works. So I just gotta, you know, keep putting in the work. So y'all gonna see, man. We got a long ways to go, but you know, this is just the beginning, man. This is just the beginning. Would you look at that? Would you look at this? I seen a swarm of niggas fly by me when I was at 7-Eleven wiping the car down. And I seen another pack at the light, so I'm gonna follow these niggas and see if they know where they going. I'm here for it, brother. Supposed to be racing, bro. A pack of like 10 people just fly by me. And I was like, I'm gonna go catch those niggas. But I got stopped at the light and I seen them behind me. So I was waiting to see if they was gonna try to catch those niggas. But I think they went the completely wrong direction. And that nigga just so happened to get caught with the wrong dead. Here for a good time, man. I'm gonna go find smoke. I'll be back. I don't know what these fools are doing. Just a little side note, I'm upset that none of the Jack in the Boxes are open 24 hours in Reno anymore. I need y'all to go back to work. Whoever was working at Jack in the Box, go get your job back. Please. I beg of you. I only eat there like 3 times a year, but it's a critical 3 times a year, man. Like, it's crucial. I found that pack of people that flew by me. They all came here. Help me, man. Pray for me. Help me find some smoke. I'm not trying to race, but I just want to see people race. For you guys. The sky is looking immaculate right now. Things are confusing me. I don't want to leave, but then I don't want to leave because I feel like I'm right where I need to be. But I'm gonna just say fuck it, I'm gonna go drive around, man. I'm pretty sure it's hella niggas on the way here. And I am really enough for just stopping in the middle of the street wherever I want. That right there is what I was about to go for. So we're gonna see where we go. That looks like a lot of niggas. That's hella motherfuckers, holy fuck. Like, I still see them coming around the corner from way back there. Patient, man. The smoke will come to you. hydrate. Get electrolytes. This shit looks like a whole different car, bro. Oh my god. Bruh. This is not doing it justice, but this front lip. This front lip on here. Oh, she's looking nasty. Fuck that race, nigga. Look at my baby. Look at my baby. We had to turn to HD. This nigga Rick is killing me, bro. That's the funniest shit I've ever done to a car, bro. This shit looks so much better with the wing on it, bro. Like, oh, yes. You're doing something right, man. The vision is coming together. And I'm not gonna be out here too much longer because I'm trying to go to In-N-Out, but they closed. I'm gonna hang out here for a little bit, like I said, until I feel like it's almost time to catch that In-N-Out line. And I'm gonna slide home, man. If I see any more smoke, there's the Evo that fucking left me earlier. Where's your friend? Right there. You guys want to run it back? Run it back! Alright, so it's like a couple cars leaving. I don't know if this is gonna lead to anything. I was just going home, and I just happened to leave at the same time as everybody else, I guess. So we're gonna see what happened. And the fucking check engine light came back on. So I need to change these spark plugs, bro. I'm pretty sure that's what that shit is. If I miss this light, I'm gonna be mad. Oh, these niggas are about to race. Fuck it, should we hop in? There's not enough room for Dev. Yes, there is. Oh, they're going to get it. Good shit, bro. Good shit. Good shit. You lucky. Oh my. Oh. Oh, fuck. Yeah, good runs, buddy. Good runs, bro. Good runs. You too. My shit went in the limp mode on that last one. Hold on. Let me see if I can. It's all stock. Yeah, it's a 550i. For real? That shit moves, bro. I was really chasing them niggas, bro. God damn. I think we got the limp mode out. And we realized that this motherfucker is not it from a dig. Cause them niggas straight gas me. Good shit though, bro. Alright, now I gotta go to In-N-Out. Close in 29 minutes. Let's see. Blessings of the Lord, I tell you. My boy just took my, where is he? I'm gonna turn the camera here. My boy just took my order. It's 1:30. They supposed to be closed. Thank God. They still mess with the line after 1:30, man. So we got our runs and we finna get our In-N-Out still, man. So it's a good night. I just had to end it on that, man, and let y'all know that, you know, dreams do come true. So, oh man, I hope y'all have a good night, man. Like I said, I got my In-N-Out and we got some runs in for the day. You know, I'm gonna just keep networking and sharing this with the world, man. You see, I'm not the only one out here that likes to go have fun. Obviously, all those people had the same thing on their minds tonight too. So, yeah, man, we blessed and we gotta get that figured out. Cause I'm not trying to get hoed like that in a race ever again. That was a good ass race. Tuned SR key, Skat Packs. All love, all happiness at the end of the day, man. Y'all have a good night. Stay safe, stay blessed, man. I'm out.